Understanding, fill up my glass, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the phrase, fill up my glass. This is a common expression in English, often heard in social settings. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, understanding such phrases is key to sounding natural in English. So, let's get started. Fill up my glass, straightforwardly means to add more liquid into a glass until it is full. It's a request or command. The word, fill, implies adding to capacity, and up emphasizes the action of filling completely or to the top. This phrase is commonly used when someone wants more of a beverage, be it water, juice, or something stronger like wine. This phrase isn't just about the physical act of pouring a drink. It's often used in social contexts, like at a dinner, a party, or a bar. Saying, fill up my glass, can be a way to continue a pleasant experience or prolong a social gathering. It's also a sign of wanting to enjoy more of the beverage, indicating that the person is having a good time. There are several variations of this phrase. For example, top up my glass, or refill my glass. These mean roughly the same thing but can be seen as more polite or formal. Understanding these variations helps in different social settings, showing a level of respect or politeness in your language use. In English-speaking cultures, offering to fill up someone's glass is seen as a gesture of hospitality. However, it's important to understand the context. For instance, in a formal setting, it might be more appropriate for a host or server to offer a refill rather than a guest asking directly. And that's a wrap on fill up my glass. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your conversational skills in English, making your interactions more natural and enjoyable. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your language learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.